Hello, this is Jerome Surilia, and today I'm going to share to you what I received from our post office. So come, let's get closer and let's have fun. So this morning, when I was in work, tinawagan ako ng guard namin, and then sabi may mga postcards daw ako. So I'm really happy. I'm gonna check it out. So basically, ito na yon. Let's put this thing down and papakita ko sa iyo isa-isa. This one is linagay siya sa envelope, pero it's okay. This one's December 5 lang, very recent, 'di ba? I'm happy na na-send ka agad. Pero it seems na November 25 pa siya na-receive ng post office. Ayan, oh. Is it clear? Yeah, 25, and then sa Manila Post Office is December, I don't know, 1 ba yan or 2? Pero this was been sent out way back, I don't know, November 5. Di ba ang tagal, pero okay lang. So sumali lang ako sa post nila, and then isa ako sa mga nanalo. Not bad. Let's see kung ano yung nasa loob. Ay, ano ba yan? Hindi ko matanggal. Ayun. This is... What exactly is this one? Hindi ko siya mabasa. Mapa. I thought this is from Singapore. Yeah, Singapore. Ano ba yung pinadala nila sa akin? Tapos, stamped together, and then meron siyang ganito. Year of the Snake. And this one, I don't know what exactly is this one. Stamp exhibition, pero I don't know. Since dinagay, pero nagko-collect din naman ako ng mga covers eh. This is Stamp Nation in Singapore. There you go. And then this one, akala ko malaki siya, medyo maliit lang pala. Pero it's okay. This is... Saan ba galing to? Italy. Yeah, galing Italy. Medyo matagal na siya. I'm glad na nakarating na siya. This one is... Ang liit din. It's from USA. Arizona. Arkansas. Diba? November 25. Ngayon ko lang siya na-receive. Pero November 19 dumating din siya sa Pilipinas. Oh, I don't know where. This one is a maxi card. November 21. November 25 dumating sa Manila. There you go. Prepaid. Australia for posting nationwide. Okay, prepaid postcard. Pasalat nga. Oo nga. Sure. This is way back 1990. Yeah, Superman. Dumating siya November 3, pero natanggap ko lang December 4. Nice. I like. Pero tingnan mo naman yung mga stamps na natakpan. Okay. This one is from Portugal. 4 na series to. There you go. This one is cool. Kabayo, tapos may robot. Frankfurt. Yes. Nice din yung mga stamps. I like. This one is October 19. Dumating sa Pilipinas. 100 years. Pero it's okay. Mas importante is na-receive ko siya. Ito, nagbabangka. I think this is from Bangladesh. Yeah. This is November 3 dumating. Pero, naano sa akin. Ang ganda ng mga ng mga stamps. Tapos meron pang tiger na maliit doon. May map pa. Nice. Tapos this is being missent sa Thailand. Nice. Ito naman tinatad siya ng Manila Central Post Office. Ewan ko kailan nila receive to. November 3. Diba? Panalo. Yes. Meron siyang sariling niya. Stamp. This one is so nice. Siya, ang ganda. Bibigyan ko nga ng thank you card to eh. This is from Thailand. So nice. Sipira, Thailand. Diba? First time ko maka-receive ng lenticular na postcard. Ito naman is train. I like it. I think this is from Thailand. Let's me see. Yeah. Ay, Taiwan pala. Taiwan, not Thailand. Nice, huh? Si Naomi. Very nice yung photo niya. May different transport mode. May tren, may cars, may motorbikes. Right? This one is a post-crossing meet-up. Wala lang, yan lang yung pinili ko. Sabi niya galing daw siyang Vienna. Pero is Magia... is this Vienna? There you go. Pag Vienna is Austria. Okay. Ilalas ko na to kasi nakalagay na naman siya sa sobre. Oh, what's that? This one is from the USA. Nice. This one is the Year of the Snake. Galing to sa ko talaga, ka-swap. Ang ganda nga nung mga niya yun. Actually, October 22 pa lang na na to. Na dumating na sa Pilipinas. Ngayon ko lang siya na-receive. Pero it's okay. Tapos meron siyang partner ng Year of the Horse. Kasi next year is a Year of the Horse. October 27. Dito nga siya tinatakan eh. Oh. Ang ganda ng mga niya. Oh. Diba? World Postcard Day. If you're gonna look at like that, and then for the Year of the Snake, siya. Ayan oh. Diba? Ang ganda. Kasi 2025 is Year of the Snake. 2026 is Year of the Horse. Which is I like. Nagsusulatan si Snake at saka si Horse. And gusto ko yung Year of the Horse. Pakiramdam ko, doon ako year pinanganak. Yun ang gusto ko. This one is nice, leopard ba yung mga ganyan? Leopard Leopard Cat Day. And then, this is from I don't know. Pero ang ganda ng mga ano niya. Republic of China, Taiwan to. Kasi kapag you read China, People's Republic of China. Merong Moon Festival. There you go. It's really nice. Nagpapalipad sila ng ano, I forgot the term. There you go. Taiwan. Who's the sender? Oh, there you go. This is sent by September 30, 2025. Kailan natin na-receive? October 27 pa. This one is from Portugal. Itong ano chicken na to. There's a tail. Ayan siya. The Cock of Barcelos. The stamps is also really very cool. There you go. And then this one, I don't know when tulong ako nakipag-exchange. Let's check. I think somewhere in November. October. Oh my goodness, October pa pala to. Pero na-receive ng post office is November 13. Galing siya ng Singapore. Nice, right? Marami siyang sparkle. And this one is from Minnesota. Yes, the usual. Forever USA. And then this one is from Chile. Parang rini-require sila na ilagay sa sobre. Yeah. Let's open it. Actually, October 13 pa lang na-receive na sa Pilipinas. Na-receive ko, na-deliver is December 4. Saan ka pa? Diba? Yeah. Kasi I preferred sana yung postcard na mini-mail. Ay. Wow. Ay, may libreng sticker pa na ang cute. Dear Jerome, Martina from Chile here, writing from the Mavi region, a land of vineyards, rivers, and friendly people. From my city, Suriko, I hope I pronounced it right. It's just 2 hours you can reach the beach. On the snowy mountains. It's a wonderful place. I love you to see one day. Wish I can go to Chile. Though hindi kailangan ng visa sa Philippines, pero oh wow! I'm not expecting that. Very nice. I like it. Nagpunta kami sa Vietnam, sa Saigon Zoo, nakakita ko ng white Bengal tiger. And there you go. Nice. Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.